Hello, today we are talking about permutations and combinations. We're just going to go ahead and get started. A permutation is an arrangement of items where no item is used more than once and order matters. So I think of this as like a locker combination where like if I'm putting in my code to get into my locker, those numbers have to go in a certain order. Or like your PIN number for an ATM or something like that. A combination, on the other hand, is an arrangement of items where no item is used more than once and the order does not matter. I think of this as like if I go to Subway and I want to make a sandwich, it doesn't matter what order they put like the ingredients on my sandwich. If you put turkey, ham, bacon, or bacon, ham, turkey, it's still the same sandwich. We have two formulas for permutation and combination. Really, what you need to know here is that N is the number of things you're choosing from, so it's your total. If I have 5 options for my thing, that would be my N value. R is the number that you're choosing. If I want to choose 3 items from that group of 5, that would be my R value. Notice all of these use those exclamation points. An exclamation point is a factorial. It tells you you multiply the numbers decreasing to 1. So if I do 4 factorial, I do 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which gives me 24. Now here's the good news. Those formulas look a little complicated. They're not actually that bad, but you can do them all in your calculator. So we're actually not going to use this at all. In the next couple of slides, I'll show you how to put this into a graphing calculator. Unfortunately, you can't use a calculator on your phone, but you can use the one on your Chromebook or the standalone one that's linked on your Schoology page. All right, the big takeaway from the slide, what you really need to know is that permutation, order matters. Combination, order doesn't matter. Those are like the two things, and then maybe just those. N is your total, R is how many you're choosing. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and stop talking to you so you can move on to your next slide and see some examples. As always, thanks for watching.